Have you wondered how companies analyze billions of records without building massive databases? Imagine you are a bank. Every day millions of transactions happen. Or imagine you are a hospital. Thousands of patients visit, prescriptions and claims are generated daily. Where does all this data go? Usually into Amazon S3, AWS storage service. But here's the challenge. How do you analyze all the data? Do you build a database? Do you manage servers? Do you hire teams to maintain infrastructure? That's where AWS Athena comes in. AWS Athena is a serverless query service that lets you run SQL directly on files stored in Amazon S3. Think of Athena as a Google search for your data. Your files stay in S3. Athena simply reads them and answers your questions using SQL. And without Athena, the structure is like this: files, database, SQL query. But with Athena, files in S3, there is no database, Athena, and then SQL query. No servers, no database, no infrastructure management, just SQL. Now let's see how it works. Applications such as mobile banking, CRM systems, healthcare, claim platforms and websites generate data, and this data is stored in Amazon S3. Let's say AWS Glue acts like a catalog and tells Athena, here are the files, here are the columns, here is the schema. Athena then runs SQL directly on those files. The result can be sent to Power BI dashboards, Tableau reports, business teams and even AI systems. Let's take a real bank example now. A bank wants to identify transactions above 1 lakh. The simple query in SQL select star from transactions where amount greater than 1 lakh. Within seconds, Athena scans millions of records in S3 and returns the results. No database required. Another example, what was yesterday's transactions volume? Select transaction date, count star from transactions, group by transaction date. Now management has instant visibility in business activity. Let's move to another example with healthcare. A hospital stores patient visits, prescriptions, claims and appointment records in S3. Management wants to know which doctors are seeing the most patients. Then we give the query like select doctor ID, count star from patients visits, group by doctor ID. So this simple query, we get all the results by using Athena. Athena provides answers within seconds. Now here where it gets exciting. Athena is becoming a key part of AI and generative AI platforms as well. Imagine a sales doctor ask, show me the top diabetes doctors in Hyderabad. Instead of manually searching reports, AI sends a query to Athena. Athena retrieves the data. The AI summarizes the results and the user gets an intelligent answer. This is the foundation of modern RAG and agentic AI architectures. To make Athena even faster and cheaper, use Parquet instead of CSV. Partition data by year, month and date. This reduces the amount of data Athena scans and lowers cost significantly. For security, organizations use IAM, encryption, CloudTrail, audit logs, HIPAA controls for healthcare. Here's the easiest way to remember Athena. Amazon S3 stores the data, AWS Glue catalogs the data, Athena queries the data, Power BI visualizes the data, and AI explains the data. That's why AWS Athena is one of the most important services in modern data lakes, analytics, banking, healthcare and AI platforms. If this helped you understand Athena, hit like, subscribe and follow for more AWS Cloud AI data engineering platforms.